Louise from Mom Start. I am doing another taste test, but this time I'm going to do 4 at one time. I've got Hunger Games chocolate! Hunger Games. May the odds ever be in your favor. Actually, this is Wild Ophelia Chocolate, and I have tried some flavors before, but these are just really cool because each one's from a different district. District 4, the fishing district. We have sea salt and coconut. And it's dark chocolate, and oh, there's a surprise in here. It says The Hunger Games Catching Fire, the hunt for chocolate sweepstakes. To enter, like us on facebook.com/Wild Ophelia. Win a year's worth of chocolate, over $1,000 value. Woohoo! I gotta go enter that, right? Oh, sorry, I should not be eating chocolate. It's not on my diet, but Okay, I like the coconut. I gotta turn the fireplace off though. That's really good. Probably not smart to have chocolate right by the fire, right? Okay, District 5. Crispy, crunchy, caramel corn, and dark chocolate. This one has buttery caramel corn and 70% dark chocolate. The Power District. I didn't get a big enough bite. The caramel corn's really subtle. That's good. District 10, livestock, beef jerky, and gosh, you know I love the beef jerky flavored one. It just smells heavenly. I know I like that one, so I'm not gonna eat that one. Mining salt and milk chocolate. So this one doesn't have coconut in it, and it's milk chocolate instead of dark chocolate, but it's got salt. The salt's very subtle, so you get a little bit of both. Yep. It's mostly milk. The salt is an after flavor. But again, these are the Hunger Games Catching Fire Wild Ophelia Chocolate series. You can find them at Walgreens or online.